Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is Mega Mind. My name is Marvelous. So we have on the board 3 minus 3 divided by 1 over 3 plus 3. This question is causing a lot of confusion now, and it's a viral question. I want to teach you. First of all, I'll show you the wrong way with which people solve this question. A lot of people will do something like this. 3 minus 3 will give us 0, right? 0 divided by this 1 over 3 is 0. Here is still 0. The 0 plus 3 will give us 3. A lot of people will tell you that this answer is 3. But this answer is actually not 3, right? Some persons will tell you the answer is 9 or 6. So, but that is not the correct answer. So, because the reason why that is not the correct answer is because there is another of operation that we use. Order of operation, which is board mass, right? So, B is for brackets, division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. So, and when we are solving this rule, we are solving from left to right. And also don't forget that we have a fraction here. There's a fraction here, and because of this fraction, we have to apply the KCF rule. This K stands for keep, change, and flip. So when you are solving this equation, you have to put at the back of your mind that division and multiplication have equal priority. So whichever you are solving first, because some persons use PEMDAS to solve this question. So when you are solving this, you have to solve from left to right. So now, because of this now, we are doing division first. So if we do this division first, we have to apply the KCF rule on this division. So 3 will remain the same. Case division will change to times. This will flip to 3. So we have our minus 3, then plus 3. Now we have a minus sign here, multiplication sign here, and plus sign here. So now what do? We have to do the multiplication first, right? So minus 3 times 3 will give us minus 9. So we have 3 plus 3, right? So minus 3 minus 9 plus 3. So minus 9 plus 3 will give us, this will give us minus 6. Now 3 minus 6, which is equals to minus 3. So guys, the final answer is minus 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.